Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming from someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide away above it all? In the silence, it's conceded, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig without any glue. Like, I didn't use any glue at all. So first I'm going to be showing you guys the wig, and this is the wig here. It's in this poly mailer. So and then we have it in a sleeve there, so we're just gonna go right ahead and take it out so we can have a look at it. And this wig also comes with a wig cap, but I already have one on anyway, so we're not going to be using that for this video. So it's in a protective sleeve, just, you know, to keep the hair intact, and we don't want it to be going everywhere. So this is the wig. This wig is 30 inches and it is a lace front, but it has a lace more to the middle. I don't know how to explain it, but I'll show you guys. So you see how it has baby hairs there, and the lace is just in the front and like the middle, so it's not like a full lace, so it's more like a closure. So it has two combs on the side and one at the back, and then it has adjustable straps. So we're gonna go right ahead and put it on so we can just try and fit it and see what we want. Do we want a side part or a middle part? But I think I definitely am gonna end up going with the middle part, because I'm just like a middle part girl. So we're just gonna, you know, remove the tag, and then we're gonna move the wig around and just play around a bit with it. So yeah. So I'm just bringing the baby hairs to the front. I'm just, you know, trying to fix everything up. So that is the length. This is 30 inches. This is the longest wig I've ever had. Like, I've never had long hair like this before. So what we want to do now is get our foundation, and then we're going to put that on our wig cap, because this one is too light. So just going to go ahead and put the foundation only in the center, because this is I'm going to be doing a middle part, and this is not getting glued down, so we don't really need it anywhere else, just in the middle. So after we put the foundation, we're going to get our powder, and then we're just going to set it so that it is nice and dry. Then after that, you just want to move the wig cap back just a little bit, and then you want to get your wig and put it on, and then just play around with it. Make sure it's nice and fitted. Now I'm just gonna get my clips, and I want to clip the hair back far away from my face so that I can really see the front, because we're gonna be cutting the lace. So now we just want to put it into position, and we're gonna go ahead and cut the lace. I like to start right in the center. It just makes it easier that way. So I go right in the center, and then I cut out one side first, and I'm cutting the lace as close to the hair as possible, because we don't want that much lace left. So I'm just cutting right as close as possible to the hair. And after we cut that one off, we're gonna go and trim some off, so that it is as close as possible to those little tiny hairs that you can see, but you don't want to cut them off, so just be careful. You just really want to take your time when cutting lace, because I'm not that great at it, and I'm not a hair expert. I'm just learning, but yeah, I definitely am getting better at this. So yeah, I'm just trimming some off and just double checking that it looks good. And now we're gonna do the other side. And cutting little by little really helps. If you go in one go, it won't look right, and you might make a mistake somewhere, and yeah. So you just want to take your time and cut little by little, and then go ahead and trim off as much as you can. So anyway, this hair I got it from AliExpress from a store called Magic Hair, and this hair was $41. This is a synthetic wig, and it is in the color 1B. This hair is also heat resistant, so you can definitely straighten this. I think I might straighten it when I wear it next, but in this one I just wanted to be wavy, so I didn't straighten it in this video. But it is heat resistant, so you are free to straighten it. So what I'm just doing there is just trimming out around the ears, so just making sure everything fits nicely.
Type of way, well, that's fantastic. Nothing to something, and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends we're so done. It never ends. You having fun? Ooh, go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself.
Now we're gonna get our foundation brush again, and then we're gonna add some foundation onto the lace, because this lace is pretty light. So now I'm getting my powder and I'm just gonna set that, and then after that we're gonna put it on, because now we're gonna get ready so that we can lay out edges. And that is pretty much what you do. This is just glueless wig is just the most easiest thing ever. So I'm just fixing it from the back. I'm just adjusting the straps to make sure it fits. This wig actually fits really nice on me. I have a really small head, so it fits really nicely. I'm just playing around with it so that it can fit right. So I'm just moving it around.
We're so toxic, can't get enough. Go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya?
So now you just want to grab the hair and get it out of your face, and then just clip it to the back. And now we're going to be cutting our baby hairs, but let's just make sure that they're at the front and just brush away those other hairs that are in the way. So now this is my gel, and this is what I'm going to be using to lay my edges. So now I'm just cutting the baby hairs, making them shorter, and then we're gonna lay them down, and that is pretty much all you do basically. This is the first step to laying this wig, but you just have to make sure that the adjustable straps are right for you and the wig fits nicely, because this is what's gonna make it nice and steady so it doesn't move around. Like my wig right now is really nicely fitted, so once I do my edges, it's just gonna look like I've glued it down. So here we are doing our edges. This was a little bit hard, to be honest, because the baby hairs were kind of thick. I should have actually trimmed them down so that it would have been easier to lay them, but we eventually got it. So now we're gonna lay the edges on the other side.
Now it's all just you got me on blast. Damn, you're over it. I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, constant, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could.
Okay, so now that we finished laying our edges, we're gonna get a hairband and then we're just gonna wrap it around just so that the edges can slick down so that it can hold. Okay, so now you just want to take out the hair clips and we're gonna go ahead and brush out the hair so it's just not messy anymore. But do you guys see this? It is really coming together. It literally looks like I've glued this hair. So now you just want to fix it up and make sure it's nice and fitted. And then you just want to brush it some more, get out any tangles. This hair is absolutely beautiful, you guys. It is really soft and it doesn't tangle that much. It just sheds just slightly, but I think, you know, longer hair is definitely more harder to take care of and it definitely tangles more. And now we're going to be using our LA Girl Pro Concealer. And we just want to put that onto our part because it is very light. And even after all that work, you still need something, your shade in the part so that it doesn't look so off. Now I'm going to put some too on the lace at the front so it is not too light for me, so it is somewhat of my shade. Now we're going to get our mousse and then we're just going to use some of that to just slick down our hair, and it's just going to really help with the flyaways. This just really helps to define those waves. It just makes it more wavy and it just looks more slicker and just much more smoother. Now you want to add some more and just get it all over your hair just to define those waves. Look at how wavy the hair is, and I didn't even do anything to it. Look at how beautiful this hair is, you guys.
Nothing to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your friends we're so done. It never ends. You having fun.
So after you're done applying the mousse, you just want to brush the hair out a little bit more and get rid of all those tangles. Make sure it is not tangled. So this is it up close. Just look at that, you guys. Doesn't it look like I glued this down? This is just amazing. I love this method because, you know, I don't like to really glue my wigs down. It's just too much of a hassle for me because I don't wear my wigs for that long. So I just like something to like put on and go. Just look at this hair, you guys. I'm gonna put a direct link to this hair in the description box, so if you're interested in getting this hair, you can go and purchase one for yourself. This is synthetic hair, but it is a lace front, so that's what makes it so good, because just look at this. This is such an amazing synthetic hair.
Can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I was able to help someone out. So see you guys next time. Bye.
to something and now it's drastic. Don't tell your